What is going on, Coaster Spotters? It is September 18th and we're finally doing our first construction update of, let's go with RMC Wildcat. We don't know if it's actually RMC, probably is. We don't know if it's next year. We don't know anything yet, but we do know stuff is happening. And we'll take a look at it right now from above and a little bit close up, and then we're going inside the park. We do know that some track has been cut. There's a lot of work in front of the station. They're redoing the roof of the station, so we'll check all that out inside the park. From this angle, we can't really see much from the top near the Hershey Gardens. You can't see that roof is definitely very bare. It is a 25-year-old wooden shingle roof, so it was going to need replacement anyways, so I guess they're just taking the time to redo it completely right now. Let's see if the chain is gone and all that stuff. Let's zoom in to the top of Lift Hill and see what's going on there. From this angle, all the track is present, but we will go in the park, and from above, we should be able to also have spotted. And I'm probably showing you right now where that track has been cut up. And here's a look from above, off property, of course. And we can see that the entrance ramp has also been completely demolished, and they have a staircase, I assume maybe temporary, for access to that station. And you can see that it almost looks like they've torn up a bunch of the footers off of that hill that led into the helix that dropped below the brake run, which is very interesting to see. I'm not 100% sure on that, but very much seems like it. And then as we take a closer look at the other part of the site, you can see that the track that was all taken off is all cut up and laying right next to the bottom of the first drop. We'll be able to see that from on the ground a little bit, but not very well. This is a much better view. So as you can see, lots of stuff is going on. Still unknown what's going on exactly. The way they're doing the station, it definitely looks like they are just rehabbing it. If they were tearing it down, it would be very much a wrecking ball towards it, basically, not this disassembly. So they're probably trying to change up the architecture, if I were to guess, maybe move away a little bit from the Midway America theme, and which is something I wouldn't mind. That kind of never loved that section of the park, the theme of it. So time will tell, and let's head back into the park. All right, here's a good look at the area right in front of Wildcat Station. As you see, the exit platform is completely gone. A lot of the platform is all torn up, and as we saw from above and up at the Hershey Gardens, the roof is very much missing the parts that keep it dry. As we look at the station platform, it seems to be missing a lot of everything. And over here you can see that the track ends. I feel like at this point that's more for access than any work being done. But time will tell. And here's a look from the ground of that hill right now by the station, and where the track just ends. As we line up for Dark Nights, we have a video out on that as well. You can see it looks like there's lots of equipment loaded up, ready to attack this thing. So thanks for watching. We'll be back as soon as there's enough significant progress. We're not going to do updates every 2 weeks until there's significant progress. But once things really start going, probably will be every 2 weeks, just like Candemonium updates. All right, thanks for watching. It's been Alex from Coaster Spot. Like, comment, subscribe, and we'll be there every step of the way until this thing opens. Whatever it is.
Comment below if you think it's next year or 2024.